We have so many books available in the market for NEET preparation. We have so many resources available on the internet for NEET. Which is the best book for NEET exam? Hi kids, welcome to my channel Prepare with Arun. This video is all about the best books for NEET. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon and support me. Thank you.
For physics, what I would suggest is NEET preparatory series, NEET Objective Physics by DC Pandey. So this is what I will prefer, and it is by Arihant Publications. Okay. So what is special about this book? We will see in detail. We have two volumes. Volume 1 that will cover the 11th standard syllabus, and we have volume 2 that will be covering your 12th standard syllabus. So we will see what is there in volume 1 in detail. So volume 1, it starts with basic mathematics. So what will be covered in basic mathematics is like your basic trigonometric formulas, differential calculus, integration. If you have any doubts in that, you can go through from the chapter basic mathematics, and then it starts with units, dimensions and error analysis, vectors, motion in one dimension, motion in a plane and projectile motion. Then we have laws of motion, work, energy and power, circular motion, center of mass, conservation of momentum and collision, rotation, and then we have gravitation, simple harmonic motion, elasticity, fluid mechanics, thermometry, thermal expansion and kinetic theory of gases, laws of thermodynamics, calorimetry and heat transfer, wave motion. So you can see that in NCERT, if you have any like a big chapter, it has been divided into simple chapters for us to prepare easily. So let's see what is there in 12th book, that is volume 2. So in volume 2 it starts with electric charges and fields, electrostatic potential and capacitance, current, electricity, magnetic effect of current and moving charges, and then we have magnetism and matter, electromagnetic induction, alternating current, electromagnetic waves, ray optics, refraction, okay, wave optics. We have ray optics and then we have wave optics, dual nature of radiation and matter, atoms, nuclei, solids and semiconductor devices. So these are the chapters that is covered in this NEET preparatory series by DC Pandey. We will see how each chapter is explained in the book so that you can get an idea of like how the concepts are presented in the book. So every chapter has been divided into number of subdivisions, like for example electric charges and fields. The chapter is divided as electric charges, Coulomb's law, electric field, then electric dipole, electric flux. Okay, and each topic has been explained clearly in detail. For example, in electric charge they have explained everything regarding electric charge detailedly, and you can also see some example sums after each concept so that you can get an idea, you can clearly understand the concept with examples also. So mostly the examples are numerical problems. So they have explained the concepts, they have given the numerical problems also. So after a particular topic is over, we have something called as checkpoint. So checkpoint is to test your knowledge regarding the topic. So you have MCQs. Once you cover reading all these topics, you can practice the MCQ questions so that you can know whether you have understood the topic or not. Okay, this is for like similarly for all the topics, you have the explanation, you have example sums, and then finally you have the checkpoint. This is for the second topic, you have checkpoint 1.2, then third topic you have electric field, and for that you have the checkpoints. So after all the checkpoints are over, that is after explaining all the topics and after completing all the checkpoints, you can come for chapter exercise. So chapter exercise will have questions based on the entire chapter. So in this case it's electric charges and fields. So you have questions, MCQ questions based on the entire chapter, and then comes medical entrance special format questions. So that will be of assertion and reasoning type, and also it will be of match the following type. Okay, so you have medical entrance special format question, and then we have something called as medical entrance gallery. So in this we'll be having questions that has been asked in previous year NEET or any other medical entrance examination. All those previously asked questions will be there in the medical entrance gallery. Once everything is over, we have the answers for all the checkpoints, for all the chapter exercise, for medical entrance special format questions, for medical entrance gallery, etc. After not only the answers, they have given the detailed explanation of all the answers. You have got detailed explanation for the entire checkpoints, chapter exercise, medical entrance gallery, medical entrance special format questions, etc. So this is all about your DC Pandey book. For chemistry, what I would prefer is be thorough with your NCERT book. Okay, top to bottom you read your NCERT book for understanding the concepts. After understanding the concepts, for example, say first chapter. So after finishing the chapter, you have to practice MCQ questions based on the concepts. For that, I would prefer Objective NCERT at your fingertips by MTG publication. Okay, so we will see what is there inside this. You have this, for this you have only one book. It's a very small book. Okay, both 11th and 12th is covered in a single book. So you have some basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atom, then classification of elements and periodicity in properties, chemical bonding and molecular structure. It will be like your NCERT, 20 states of matter, thermodynamics, equilibrium, then you have redox reactions, hydrogen, the same order as your NCERT book. Similarly for your class 12, the same order as your NCERT book. Okay, now what is there inside the book? We will take an example of equilibrium chapter, or say so the chapter starts with snapshots. Snapshots cover the key points of the entire chapter. Okay, it will just cover the key points of entire chapter and then starts the MCQs corner. So they have divided even each chapter into number of side headings so that you can easily practice the questions. Like if you have completed one topic, you can come and practice the questions based on that, like equilibrium in physical process, equilibrium in chemical process, like that. So you have MCQs for every topic inside the lesson, and almost every chapter has got around 100 MCQs. Okay, for practice. I think that is very reasonable. So you have 100 MCQs to practice. After that, you have higher order thinking skills type of questions. Okay, then you have NCERT exemplar problems, and then comes assertion and reason corner. Like especially for your NEET, you have these type of questions. So you have assertion and reason corners, and then is answer key. Also the hints and explanation for all the answers, including your assertion and reasoning type of question. You have answers for everything. At the end of the book, you also have practice papers. I think you have 4 practice papers in this. So that is based on your complete syllabus. You have practice papers. You have 3 practice papers with answer keys. And then some important concepts from each chapter is also given colorfully at the end of the book. For your biology also the same like your chemistry. For biology, prepare your NCERT book. You have to read line by line. You have to study line by line from your NCERT to get good marks in NEET. After preparing from your NCERT, just for practice, you can follow NCERT at your fingertips by MTG publication. So this is also similar to your chemistry. So you have at the starting of each chapter, you have snapshots. It starts with snapshots, and then that is key points from each chapter. Then you have MCQs corner, and then so you have diagram based questions also, match the following type of questions, but everything is MCQ. And then you have higher order thinking skill questions. Then we have exemplar problems, and then assertion and reason corner, and then as usual answer key with hints and explanation for all the questions. Even for biology you have hints and explanation. So my suggestion is, when you see the answer, especially for biology, just go through the explanation also, so that it will be very useful for you to face the examination. Next is the very important part in preparation. So after you have completed all your preparation, or even if you don't have time to prepare your entire syllabus, what you have to do is you have to prepare, or you have to go through the previously asked NEET question paper. That is very, very important. And you have so many publishers publishing this book. What I have is MTG. This is also good. So you have to go through all the questions that has been asked in previous year examinations. Like, don't just see the answers alone. You have to study the explanation also for each answers. Then only it will be easy for you to face the examination. So we are also discussing previous year asked question in our YouTube channel. The link for some of the previous year solved question papers is given in the description. You can go through that also. Okay.
Thank you for watching the video and all the best for your NEET exams.